I've earned thousands from multiple shorts, and if you want to do the same, here is how. Step 1. Set up your account. Start with an aged account. If you can't have one, get it here from this website for $6. I'll leave the link in the description. You can also create a new one, but make sure to warm up the account. Keep scrolling on shorts and watch videos for about 1 to 2 hours every day, and do that for at least 1 week. Step 2. Find a niche. Scroll until you find a faceless video that's going viral. Save the channel link and keep doing the same thing until you have a list of the most viral niches. After that, use this website to check if the channels are monetized. Pick a niche you're most interested in because this will help you stay consistent. Step 3. Learn basic editing. Use CapCut for example and watch videos to learn how to edit. There are thousands of videos online that can show you that step by step. Start by recreating the most viral shorts from your competitors. Change 5 to 10% and call it a day. Step 4. Post daily, optimize, and learn. Aim for 1 short per day, experimenting with different formats and ideas. When a short outperforms others, double down on that style. Step 5. Scale and monetize. Once you have couple millions of views, sign a music deal to boost your RPM. Stay consistent so you can reach 10 million views in 19 days and qualify for short monetization. Step 6. Outsource and scale. Hire some editors from Discord servers or Twitter. Train them to replicate your style and then scale by posting more frequently. And finally, don't forget that this system only works if you stay consistent.